lamig. Tapos ito. Hello. Pakyat. So another fee ulit. Hello, hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Megan's Travel Diaries. So, for today's video, pupunta ako sa sa may Heaven Gate Temple, yung anong tawag doon?
Wajib dikunjungi.
Wait. Lempuyang. Ayan, Lempuyang Luhur Temple. Kung saan nandun yung gate, Heaven Gate Temple, yung pinakasikat nila dito sa may Bali, Indonesia. So, honestly, mag-ano sana ako ngayon, Uluwatu tour. Meron akong nabook yung dating driver ko. Pero, anong nangyari? Yung weather is not good. So, it's always raining, guys. Simula pa nung kagabi. So, ayan. Umulan siya. So, hindi natuloy yung lakad kasi maganda yung spot na yun. So, bukas na lang tutuloy kung maganda yung weather. So, ngayon wala akong tour pero try kong mag-grab ng taxi. Pupunta ako sa Luhur Temple sa Lempuyang. Ano ba yung pangalan nun? Wait. Yeah, Lempuyang. Sa may Lempuyang Luhur Temple, yung Heaven Gate, yung pinakasikat. So, pupunta ako doon by Grab. So, medyo may kamahalan kasi 2 hours mahigit yung biyahe. So, umuulan. Baka mag-grab na lang ako ng motorbike. At pabili na lang ako ng raincoat para mas makatipid. So, ayan. On the way ako doon, guys. Mag-bis lang ako. And then, yeah, I will update you. So, I decided to take a Grab taxi kasi rainy. So, baka kapag mag-motor ako, mahirapan ako kasi 2 hours tapos umuulan pa. So, mag-Grab taxi na lang ako. Medyo may kamahalan siya, guys, pero malayo kasi siya kaya medyo mahal. So, ayan, guys, i-update ko kayo. Oh my God, baha. Flooded. Ayan, may way talaga. I have
Open your shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because so wet.
Yeah, okay. Oh my God. Wait. How can I go?
Here, sit here.
Yeah. So, nag-book ako ng another Grab kasi hindi pwede si Kuya, ayaw niya kasi malayo daw. Ayaw niyang gusto niyang ang tawag diyan, makipag-negotiate para papuntahan sa pabalik. Pero sabi ko, magtutour pa ako around. So hindi ako pwedeng babalik agad. Pero sabi niya, pag-uusapan daw yung price mamaya. So sabi ko, hindi, gusto ko lang i-drop mo lang ako doon and then ako na bahala pa uwi mamaya. Pero ayaw niya, Kuya. So naghanap ako ng ibang driver. So for sure, I think this drivers will be okay. Like, kasi babae yung hinintay ko lang siya. 6 minutes away. So, nagtagal ako ng shoes, guys, kasi baha. So, ayan, flood. May flood. So, inaantay ko yung isang driver. Maulan siya, grabe. So, yan na yung driver ko, guys. Grabe yung ulan. Yeah, I think ayan na. So, it's flat. Okay. Grabe yung ulan. 1-7. Hi!
Hello.
It's you, right?
No. What's your name?
Megan!
Oh, you order Gokar or Grab?
Grab. It's you?
No, not me. No, sorry.
Ayun pala. Fucking rain. Shit. Hi. Yeah, it's you. It's the girl. Yeah. Sorry, it's the same red car. It's far, right? It's 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello. Say hi. Philippines. Yeah.
Can I buy petrol?
Yeah, sure. You can do petrol. It's fine. How far is it? Like 2 hours, right? 2 hours and more. Yeah. But maybe it's not raining there.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Ayan. Ayan guys, grabe yung flood. Okay. I just arrived. So, bibili muna ako ng ticket. Hi, hello. Only me. Yes.
45,000 per person for go and return.
45,000?
Yeah,
Okay.
just for shuttle bus.
Okay.
And
Um,
up there, you pay for the entrance 70,000 per person.
Okay. So, this is with the bus?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
only for the bus.
Okay. So, it's 45,000 going up like by bus kasi pataas.
Up there, you pay for the entrance 70,000 per person.
Okay.
And for this picture, you have to waiting 2-3 hours queue.
3 hours? Oh
Yeah,
my
2 or
god.
3 hours.
Okay.
And you're not in period, right?
No,
Not
no, no.
in menstruation
Yeah,
today?
don't worry, yeah. Okay.
The corner number 5.
Corner number 5. Where can I get the like this, like that?
Sarah, up
Yeah,
there.
other. Here? Number. Okay. So, ayan guys. Hanapin ko yung ano. Yung bus. Number 5 daw. Sa may corner. Ah, yeah, this one. Hello, hi. Number 5? Okay.
Ticket.
Here? Yeah.
Ticket going down.
Ah?
Ticket going down.
Okay. This is ticket going down and going up. So sabi niya, maghihintay daw ako ng ano, ng 2 to 3 hours for the pictures. Oh my God. So, yung binayaran ko dun is 45,000 for the entrance fee. Kasama na yung ito, bus. And then, mamaya may another 70,000 na bayaran for the taking pictures sa may ano, Heaven Gate. Tapos 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours yung pagantay ng queue kasi maraming nagpapapicture. Sana hindi umulan. Buti na lang painit na. Ayan guys, update ko kayo. Ito pala yung ticket mamaya pagbaba. So kung maghihintay ako ng 2 to 3 hours, baka abutin ako ng gabi pauwi for sure. Kasi yung oras ngayon is 2:19 in the afternoon. Tapos pauwi pa ako mamaya. Another 2 to 3 hours. Naku. Bala ko pa sanang pumunta sa ibang destinations. Pero baka hindi na ako mabot. But I will see. Ayun guys, ito yung bus. Inantay namin yung ibang kasama namin. Ayun guys, bakit na kami? Ang hangin na ano. Ang ingin na yung mga kasama ko. Sa mga mahilig mag-nature, punta kayo ng Bali. Like, it's promise. More on nature sila. So, ayan nga. Nandito na kami sa taas. So, another fee. Ulit. Hello, hi. Okay. So, I'm going to buy a ticket again. Ayan guys, bibili muna ako ng another ticket. Hi, how much?
How many person?
Only me.
70.
70. This one? Check. Really? Okay, thank you. May sobra pa pala yung binigay ko. Kaloka. Thank you so much. So, number ko is 293, yung queue number ko. So, for sure, maghihintay ko ng matagal. Yeah, hello. So, before that, kailangan ko munang magsuot ng mahabang kasi naka-short ako.
Oh, bag.
Hi. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Pipili ako ng Ayan guys. So, ayan guys. Pakyat na ako. So, pink yung pinili kong suot. And then, purple sa may taas. So, another way paakyat ulit. Dito ba yung paakyat? Hello. Yeah, up, right? Ang friendly ng mga locals. Mamaya, tatanggalin ko yung yung jacket.
No.
And then, ito yung ko. Basta sa picture, makikita nyo mamaya. Tapos, ito. Pink. Hello. Pakyat. God. Bakit pa lang guys, pagod na ako. Grabe. So, sa mga sa mga gustong pumunta ng Bali. Bali is perfect for picture taking. And for Instagram. Hi. My God. Lagi pa akitin ko guys. Yun pa. Hoy. Ouch. Grabe. Sakit na yung suot ko. Para akong manang. Sige guys, i-update ko kayo mamaya pag nasa taas na ako. Pagod ako. Hi, hello. Hi. Okay. Thank you. Hi.
Yes, ma'am. While you waiting,
While waiting.
1 minute from here.
Okay. But that one is with payment? That's fine.
You get all of this. Only 1 minute.
Only one. This one, right?
All of this you get.
You get. Okay. Maybe not. It's fine, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bali dress maybe. Bali is costume for picture here like this. Then
That's
later I
fine.
will taking for picture and take video also for you with the dress. And then later for check a picture in the kit like this.
Yeah.
Bali is costume.
So how much is it
For
one?
this one, I'm 300,000. This is all
300,000.
including. Yes, including for picture here and the video also. You can go up here until from the door. I will make video and then going down video photo also. Then including
Yeah.
this one. We have many color. You can choose for the color.
Okay.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah. But I have this already.